What is the playing style of Alexis Lebrun? And what is his equipment? Biography. A member of the junior French national team. Currently, he is considered the best table tennis player in France. With Simon Gauzy, Emmanuel Besson, and his little brother Felix Lebrun, France will have a bright future who can compete with the top Chinese players. Playing style. Alexis Lebrun has a controlled playing style. His main strength is the variation, service, and control. He makes fewer mistakes than the opponent. His ability to counterattack is amazing. His backhand is very good, since he plays near the middle of the table. His service is amazing. His wind-wide service is very deceptive. Sometimes it has a lot of underspin, but sometimes it is a no-spin serve. A funny thing is that, each time he is doing the wind whip service, he will open his mouth wide. In France, we make a joke about it. I'm a table tennis coach in France.
C'est un service où du coup on se met face à la table, on ouvre très très grand la bouche, et après on passe sous la balle. Et on y fait... Tu veux jouer lui servir une glace? Je sais, je la connais la photo.
His backhand counterattack and his forehand attack near the table is very good. He is not the Chinese forehand dominant style. He tends to jump back further from the table to control and to counterattack. The opponent needs to adapt to his style, since it has a lot of variation and creative placement.
Alexis concède cette victoire à Mathias. Bravo messieurs, bravo à nos deux joueurs.
His equipment. Alexis Lebrun is using the butterfly rackets. He is using butterfly Dignix 09C for both sides, forehand and backhand sides. His blade is the butterfly Timo Bowl ALC. He said that he likes this setup because it gives him a lot of spin and control. This combination of racket and rubbers also gives him enough power and at the same time, not too fast. He said this rubber gives me enough security. His playing style is the control and all-round style. The more rallies he makes, the more he will win. So this setup fits very well with his playing style. Older brother Lebrun. He is Felix Lebrun's older brother. They have won the French singles, doubles, and mixed doubles titles 3 times. Lebrun's brother has won 1 professional title in a doubles event.
Donc Dignix 09C de Butterfly des deux côtés, avec un bois T-Mobile ALC. Donc j'ai changé ça l'année dernière en coup droit et cette année en revers parce que ça me permettait d'avoir pas mal d'accroches et un bon impact de balle. Donc ça me permettait de garder de la sécurité en étant assez puissant. Donc voilà, j'ai essayé et j'ai adoré. Du coup, je m'appuie pas mal sur mon service, donc ces blagues elles me permettent de bien accrocher la balle et de bien varier du coup les effets. Et après, même si je suis un joueur pas mal aussi en contre-initiative, j'aime bien repasser par-dessus. Du coup, même avec 2 plaques dures, ça me permet de remettre à chaque fois de la courbe, même en contre, donc c'est assez bien pour moi.